All right, our very short-lived time in this room is coming to an end. Disney's dancing.
About to get on a ship.
Yeah, yeah we are. Travis is just texting. All right, so we're just getting our bags situated and ready. Y'all ready? Oh, you're like outside already, like out the door. Get outside, the parents are all outside.
Oh shit.
I'm texting Mel before I can't anymore.
Well, you have time, there's an hour car ride there.
I'm just saying.
So am I.
Oh, these pockets are so deep. Oh,
I'm glad you're excited
my
about the
phone
pocket.
almost fits all the way in.
Destiny decided to go through the elephant graveyard with her luggage. Oh no, my bag. Bag down. What? You did.
You did.
Woo! We're on our way to the cruise. You excited? Yes. Now that I'm awake. Yeah, right? Oh my god. It's okay, Mom. We'll be on a beach tomorrow.
Yeah. It is a machine.
Relax on a beach.
Good.
It's over here.
Oh, there it is. Okay, right here.
Oh,
shit, man.
What? Did you not see it until now? You see it?
I see it.
What, Mom?
There's one of these on the other side. That's I think it's
There it is. Kinda bushes. What, Mom? Huh? Did you? I told you to see it.
Oasis. It's a Royal Caribbean Oasis right here. This is the biggest.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Huge. They're gone.
On your wife? On your wife? Yes, I did cheat on my wife.
Can you not?
I didn't know the guy told me that. Actually, legit scary looking rat.
What the? guys,
It's running.
Why was there a giant rat? Oh yeah.
Oh, I thought she was saying the rat was Mickey.
No.
Actually pointing at Mickey.
Yeah, the Disney Dreams mascot is Sorcerer Mickey.
I know what's happening to my red eyes.
Or no, it is. No, yeah, Sorcerer Mickey.
It's gotta be.
Yeah, yeah. But they have a statue of Donald on the inside. And the Disney Fantasies is Dumbo.
Well, Donald did steal a hat.
Yeah.
Big kids.
That's true. That makes sense. He's just trying to steal from there. Yep.
T, do you want to go on the slide with me? T. Oh my god, look at that slide.
You just said T's name like differently. There we go.
I did say T's name weird. I said T instead of just.
How you feeling, Mom?
I said his name
Excited,
twice and
emotionally
once at the same time.
How you feeling? Just nod.
Very, that feels.
Bars with the little balcony.
On the other side. The other side, we're towards the back, so it's the opposite end of the end. The opposite end of the end.
Look at the slide.
Yeah. The aqueduct.
It goes around the other side?
Yeah.
Are those the dining rooms?
Huh? No? That's the buffet. And there's also tables in front of the pool and stuff. You guys excited? Huh? Look, we're in the terminal. Terminal! There you go. Oh, Destiny's like dancing. You excited? Hi, Pluto! Oh, high fives? Yeah!
How y'all doing today?
Good, how are you?
Good, ready for a great cruise.
Oh, appreciate it. Bye, Pluto! Bye, Pluto!
I need to go bathroom.
Oh, I do too, though.
You can wait.
Okay.
I would think smoke would be better.
Yeah. Alright, we're going. It's happening. Mom. It's happening. Like, we're almost on the ship. You're living the dream, so am I. We're both living the dream. Destiny's living in the sunshine. Yeah, oh gosh. I'm gonna fall before, you know, we get there, but you know. Excited. Look at how close we are, guys. What'd you say?
This is the boat.
There it is. Hi. Carlos. Yes.
Please welcome aboard the Carlos
Yeah. Woo!
Please welcome aboard the Martindale family.
Woo!
Please welcome aboard
That's my name wrong.
Please welcome aboard the Collins.
Woo!
Please welcome aboard the Lincoln family.
Oh my god. Look at them.
Please welcome aboard the McCarthy family.
What do you guys think?
That's a restaurant right there.
Yeah. Yeah, it is. That's my favorite restaurant.
Please
though.
welcome aboard the
Dad found Stitch. Where is he? Oh, how cute. You missed him, Dad.
I'm swinging down the chandelier right now.
Here we go. Going in this elevator. All right, we're all checked in. We're signed up for the 5K. Yeah. You can't check into your rooms until 1:30. So you.
The food's on the
Yes.
floor, guys.
It'll only go to 11.
What floor are we going to?
11. That's the only one that will work right now
Okay,
because.
well, I'm not clairvoyant, so.
Okay, look. Look.
Oh,
Adorable! This is so
Dumbo.
cute. Dumbo!
Crows, Dad.
Them jive
The
crows.
Incredibles!
Dumb.
Mo's.
Goofy.
Hell
Louis
yeah.
Flying School.
That's how it was on the carnival too. The food was right below the outdoor deck.
All right. Cute. Super cute. All the time. Okay, whatever, vlogging. Ah, it's so bright.
Choking me!
He's choking you? Wow, violence.
Yeah, because he got mad.
This is like the relaxy area. You can't be violent.
I didn't know we were filming.
Yeah. Oh, that makes it
You
worse.
can't use that in court.
Yeah, I can. So yeah, we are on the Disney Dream. We ate at Cabanas and we ate tons and tons of food, and it was so busy that like
It's so hot
I didn't film everything. Yeah, it's Florida. Anyway, my husband sleeps all the time. He fell asleep during food. My brother's going on the aqueduct. That's my dad. Hello.
I want to go on with it. I want to go on.
You can go, but we'll go on later. We didn't even bring our bathing suits because we're done.
We all go on to hold each other like
No, it's only 2.
No, we'll make like a choo-choo train.
We can't do that. But anyway, our room should be ready soon, so we're just relaxing in these cuddle chairs. Look at, like,
I'm gonna check out the candy shop at some point.
yeah, we'll do that. Anyway, so yeah, we're just relaxing. And here is our view of the. I have air on my feet right here.
Yeah, you do.
You can go back. I was wondering where my parents were. They're at the bar, and my mom's taking selfies at the bar. It's kind of cute. Yeah. Oh, guy's head randomly bumped up. Sticks in her hair. Oh, look, it's a double selfie happening right now. I'm so interested in this. It's so funny. Judging him. Yeah. Hey, Chris. We're gonna go see if our room's ready. Okay. Good morning, sunshine. Let's go.
What are we, 128?
Yeah, no, we're 126. 26. All right, that's yours. Oh my god. I want their reaction. Go ahead. Ooh, it's cold.
This is cool.
Oh,
Very modern.
yeah. Oh, look at the blankie. It's almost fuzzy.
Turn the knob.
Yeah,
Unlock
it is.
all the way. Turns more.
Oh. Hey.
Hi.
Give it away, give it away now.
Look, guys, we're moving.
And I thought we were going that way. I just realized we're going that way.
Yeah. They're waving. Yeah, they're waving with Mickey hands. Look, T, it's Goofy. Are you excited? Oh, yeah. You look so happy.
I like the music.
Yeah. And poor Travis is on the toilet. I wonder if he can feel it moving. I feel nice.
Everyone on your feet.
There you are. You know that we're moving? Do you want me to take it? Bless you. There we go. We're counting down. Okay, we're counting down.
What? What are you talking about?
Did you not even hear it? You didn't hear it? I heard it. Confetti! There we go, it started. Oh my god. Did you hear the horn? Did you hear the horn when Mom didn't?
Oh yeah.
Do you like the horn, Mom? You hear it? It's a small world. I know. Here.
How do you build a ship this big?
I don't know.
In the water?
I don't know. Apparently this ship was built in Germany. That doesn't help your question, but like, it's a fun fact that I didn't know. I just got waterproof. I was just about to press record, but then the horn went on and we freaked out. Ice cream. Yeah, ice cream? I know because I was swimming. Yeah, we're in the one of the adult pools that Travis discovered. Me and Chris didn't come here on a honeymoon, but it's like a raining mushroom fountain thing. Raining mushroom. Yeah. Mom's here over there. Daddy's over there. Hi guys.
Hey,
I said hi guys.
this is the dream. Look at this.
That it is the dream. We're on the dream. We're on the dream.
We're on a dream, going into a dream.
You coming, Mom? Come on in. Come in. I want to make sure I got it over there. Mom, there's a gap. Here, we can spread out now. What did you say? There's so much for the adults to do. Yeah, right? I'm kind of excited now. So yeah, we're in the theater. Nobody came except for me, Destiny, and Chris because Travis is sick and my parents wanted to stay at the pool and T wanted food. So we noticed somebody in the theater has like Infinity Gauntlet thing and Gauntlet zipper. I was like, hey, what's the Infinity Gauntlet zipper? The chick's just all like, I don't even know what this thing is. And then I was like, wait a second, are they selling it here? Who would bring that on vacation? I know. But my dad stole theirs and left like a whole message about getting back the Infinity Gauntlet and thing. It was, they have Iron Man cups and the BB-8 zippers. Cool. But yeah, and popcorn, like it's only $1.50. That's like normal. Anyway. Well, you buy the bucket and then it's $1.50. Yeah, no, I know. That's like they do at home. Yeah. Anyway, so I guess we're getting an Infinity Gauntlet. Yeah, why not? For Dad. Look at Destiny. Okay, you gotta give him money, huh? Yeah. And the popcorn. And the popcorn.
Perfect. It'll be all.
Yes, thank you. Oh, we got the little tiny sip of water.
It's $2.
You want popcorn or not? How do you feel? Oh, don't move. There you go. Feel cool? Yeah. I want to try. Feel like you have the power. Here, can I try? I'm not sure it fits over Dad's hand. Who cares?
Can I see the popcorn, please?
Give me 1 second. Oh, can you, here, hold this. I feel like my hand's too small for this. Yeah?
Yeah. And they got different shows on different boats.
Don't you feel so manly sipping out of your thumb? Well, look at how huge this is. I know, it's ginormous. It's nothing. Like, yeah. Dad's gonna be so excited. Hi, Chris. We're getting ready to watch the Golden Mickey.
I can't tell if my eyes are kind of tired because of the water.
Probably.
Or if it's because I don't have my glasses on.
Oh crap. You should have brought them. So yeah, we can't film during the show, but I'm excited because I missed the show last time. Okay, here's the popcorn. Yeah, so I'm excited. And Destiny loves shows in general. So. Like the show, Destiny? Yeah, it was so cute. It was adorable. It was like a variety show of Disney characters. I loved it. Did you like it, Chris? Yeah. What was your favorite part?
I think the Cruella de Vil part was kind of...
That was so awesome. They were like stick puppies. Is there any water left? We got Dad a present.
Wait, you can drink out of that?
Yeah.
That's cool.
It's a zipper. You had no idea.
Oh, I didn't even see you there. Oh my gosh. I had no idea that you were there.
You just see the blanket and the freaking backpack's covering his face.
Are you feeling any better?
Not really. Did you throw up
No?
somewhere? I think you have food poisoning.
Are you not gonna come to dinner?
Really not. It seems to be every hour or so.
Come here.
Vengan aquí.
Come here. Hold on. So we went to the show.
Yeah.
It was a good show.
Okay.
Yeah.
Look at all the Mickeys.
Yeah.
You ready for this?
Sí. Mira.
What? What? How is this? I don't understand.
They got it back.
And not for nothing, it took. Look at what it took out of him to get it back. I don't think he fought, but he got it.
So
It's all yours.
Oh.
don't give them theirs back.
It's water. There's water in it.
How you doing, Dad?
But you never even tried to guess one area where they were.
Okay.
Oh, hey!
Okay.
Destiny has a... Here's a golden Mickey.
Yeah, Diane.
Mom.
Diane.
Here's
a golden Mickey.
Here's a golden Mickey. Here you go.
Oh, how cute. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So
Yeah.
the one problem is, here's the thing: you didn't guess a 1. And I was going when you got the soul to the soul stone, I was going to tell you had to throw her in the pool against her will, or shoot her with a bubble gun.
Well, I was gonna. Jesse and I kind of brainstormed a little bit. We thought that maybe the
Hold on.
time stone would be on the TARDIS, or either that or the space stone, because they both.
Or both of them on the
Yeah.
TARDIS.
And the power or mind stone would be at Disneyland, because Disneyland's a state of mind, but it's also where we work.
You're
so
right
that's where
with
we
the
get.
Disneyland.
Okay.
Disneyland, you did.
Hi, guys. Hello. Hi, what are you looking at? No. Hi. Hi. So, we're at dinner now. Hi, Chris. Unfortunately, Travis couldn't make it for dinner because he's not feeling well. But, yeah, there's crushes over there hanging out, but we're at Animator's Palette. Got some raviolis. And it's a very I ate one. What is that, Chris? Alright, we got some
Black
dinner.
bean cakes.
What do you guys think about your dinner? It looks lovely. Looks so good. Does it have bone?
What are the things around?
Okay.
So we are delivering fish extenders, and it is like, what, 11 o'clock right now?
It's probably later. Oh no, it's exactly
It's
11.
a laundry room. It's 11 o'clock right now, and we're delivering the fish extenders, and we're trying to be very quiet. We're struggling to do so.
Like, we put some in somebody's room and then we heard talking and we ran away.
I'm pretty sure the door opened.
Did it?
We ran away.
Like, what's the like cookies? How you feeling, Mom?
I'm good.
Good sneaky. So yeah, here's what me and Destiny made. Mom got that stuff. There we go.
Singing out of the hospital, right?
Yes. Yeah, we did it. 6:16. Mom, we're like Santa Claus.
We're 662.
Oh, it's like, run away, run away. Oh, we were right here.
It's Tracy, Mom.
Probably, yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's go.